How's it going, everyone? Deja Vu here. This video is going to be a quick startup guide for the OTG Trading Bot. The OTG Trading Bot is a TradingView indicator that is designed with full automation in mind. It gives you buy, sell, take profit, stop loss, support, and resistance signals. It has built-in alerts for every signal that can be connected to a third-party platform to fully automate your trading. If you wish, you can use these signals without automation. To obtain access to the indicator, you will have to subscribe to either the monthly or annual plans on the website. Once you've subscribed, I will have to grant you access, so please allow for up to 24 hours for access, but access is normally granted within the hour. Once I've granted you access, you will receive a notification on TradingView. It will show up right down here in the bottom right, where this bell is. Once you've received the notification, you can go to your indicator section, go to invite only scripts, and it should show up as Oasis Trading Group Automated Trading Bot. Once you click this, it will appear on your chart. Now, there's one more thing you would want to do before you get started. You want to click the cog wheel, go to Symbol, where you see Body, Borders, and Wick. From here, we want to change the candle colors to match the bot. For green, it is 00DB05. For the red, it is FF0000. For borders, I recommend making them black for every background that is not a black background. I recommend making the wicks one of the grays as well. If you are using a black background, you will have to change these to your preference. Now, by default, the bot comes with the buy and sell signals and the take profit signals turned on. If you would like to turn on the stop loss or the support and resistance, you will have to go to the top left, click on the wheel, and you can turn these on in the settings. Now from there, you're ready to set up the alerts. To set up the alerts, go to the top, click the alert button, condition, OTG Trading Bot, and we have all of the alerts set up for you. Now once you choose your desired alert, if you want to be alerted once the candle closes, you will have to click once per bar close. If you want to be alerted as soon as the signal fires, you can click only once or once per bar. Now these two can give you fake out signals. The signal is only confirmed once the bar has closed. If you would like to learn more about the bot, please see our link in the description below where we discuss tips and tricks on how to use the bot. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below or message me on Twitter or Discord. Thank you.